This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hold on one second. 1, 2, 3. Hold on one second. There's something wrong. Hold on.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, we're restarting. There was a small audio issue there. Hopefully it's fine. You know what? Yeah, let's do that. Sorry about that. If it's not come out right, it's not going to come out right. It is what it is. We don't sugarcoat anything. All right. Good morning. It's 9 a.m. on Thursday, I believe 17th of November, day before expiration. This is the third week. Very, very quickly on our calendar here. Okay. And we have, let's see. Okay, where's that list? Okay. All right. Don't worry about it. Okay, what do we have today on the calendar? Jobless claims already came in. Let's see what they did. Obviously, we talked the whole week forward, so we have an edge. If a day we miss, you already know what we're looking at. The data was 742. It's ticking up a tad. Usual claims were supposed to be down to change. That's higher. That's normal. That's just the math. I mean, not normal, but that's the math. That's because of that. Consensus was 710. All right. And then 4-week average is 4742. That's 3 million right there, guys or gals. 4 times 742. That's the initial layoff. So if non-farm coming in low, as it last time around 600,000, 700,000 for the whole month, yeah, it only covers 1 week. The other 3 are negative. And with the lockdowns coming, I mean, I assume everybody's got that priced in. Turns out the drop yesterday was from the New York lockdown. The schools, yeah. Philly Fed, let's go there. Let's see what that did. Came a little bit better. That's good. Listen, we need to bring the economy back. We do. The tax bases are killing the states. And that means services. That means frontline, people, police, what do you call it? Emergency EMS, all those guys. Yeah, no defunding, please. We need law and order, but sensible law and order. Yeah, when both sides are at peace and move forward. We need to turn the economy forward. Prosperity is the solution, nothing else. Trust me. If you don't have prosperity, you have nothing. And okay, but you got to work too. You can't sit on your butt and say, "Give me," like Princeton. Always, give me a check. Why? You got plenty anyway. Hey, existing home sales. I didn't want to go there, but I got wandered off. Okay, that's coming up. 647 is a consensus. Let's see how that comes in. There's one more there I see. Leading indicators, one of my favorites. I look at it, nobody pays attention to it. That's okay. If you think of slope and color, that's what a leading indicator is. Because you want to see forward, you want to see around the bend what's going on. If you ever driven in California on PCH, going up out of LA to San Francisco on PCH on the shoreline, beautiful area, but you pay attention because around the bend you don't know if a truck is coming at you or not. While you're looking at the rocks, boom, you can get into trouble. So always drive with someone else. Absolutely, yeah. Let them look at it and you watch or vice versa over there. It's a beautiful area. I remember Reagan said that in his closing talk in 1980. That was just beautiful. Very true. Fed balance sheet today, +6, +60. Yeah, jump change, right? Yeah. Capital is talking. Bostic. Where's my list? I don't have my list here. What happened to my list? Okay. Oh, I know they had some issues on it. They were working on it. Okay. All right. I get no help around here. I'm telling you. Okay. Bostic is talking too much. I forgot Bowman. Who was he? No, not Cleveland. I don't know. One of the Fed guys. I still gotta get hold of this character. Econo Day. One second. Listen, the list of what I want is too much to do. There's not enough tape. All right, Econo Day press. Okay. On LinkedIn. Tico, please. Okay. Let's go forward quickly. Okay, PMT, big day down again. if you go into the detail, this is what you see had happened. This is not orderly trading. This stuff is orderly trading. This stuff is already, you have a bounce from a certain level. This is a news situation. Come here. Hold on one second, guys. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Go in there. Come on. Admiral, quiet. Quiet, Admiral. I've got work to do. Okay? You can't do everything you want all the time. Sit down. Sorry, guys. Okay. Joys of having a little puppy. Okay. And look at what's happening with NDX. I mean, visualize this, okay? Lower highs. Get used to looking at it that way. That you did. We test failure. So this is not, none of this is any good. All right. We shall see. Overnight, I think we're up a tad. We're gonna look at that in a second. Moving forward, let's finish this. Still high. Excuse me. Still new highs on trends and Russell, because in the morning things were good. You know, so today's going to be a big test, big key test. Again, 3 days up. You give your counts. Counts work. Counts work when you're talking about OTF or non-OTF bars, like traditional legacy bars, like these dailies or weekly. 3 days up, 1 down. So what happens after this becomes extremely crucial. So we got to watch that. SP1W, that's just this is the one that has got weekly with the SP1 also. We pulled back, this all natural, and nothing here. Again, this becomes a item to watch. If you go here, you could see these levels. So last time we had something in that range, it was 163, and it was when, Murray? This was first week of January of 18. Okay, this is when they put the tax package together. Remember that? Yeah, tax came together, and of course we sold off into, I think, 26. Yeah, the February we sold off. So, but that was a huge run. Also, we had a year of low volatility, positive slight slope or glow. Yeah, not a slight. Positive slope, gliding up, not gliding down, gliding up. And then, of course, we had a little shock, and second one in March, and then we came back up. So, could we and look at where the peak was. I mean, this is culmination of getting on the 35 CI on a weekly. This is not a joke. Yeah. Okay. And of course, I had my accident, the bar before that. Remember that? Yeah. So it's okay. I'm a better person because of it. All right. I think I am. So anyhow, a little bit of a VIX there on yesterday. Today we're gonna watch again. 3 days down. Okay. You see that? You see it here a lot. No, of course, this was a big drop, several days, but now we're pulling up. So let's see what it does today. This is today. This is live. VIX broadcast early in the day now. So you can compute that based on the SPX options because they want to trade early. I mean, all is going to be 24/7 or 24/6 markets. You'll see. I'm not sure going to be much of volume at night, but it's there for one to do something. Okay, here we are. 925 down, not too bad. Versus a 41 down. So continuation has stopped, at least for time being, on 32 on the NQZ. Oh, hold on 1 second. Okay, where is those are there's okay, we're trading there's 8 cents off there on the crude. Okay, 8 cents off on crude. Volume is good. Volume is healthy. All right, good. We pulled back heavy on SP2, and this is going to be a weak one if we rendezvous down here. If we rendezvous higher, that's going to be pretty strong. If it's a weak one, actually, that's not bad news. If it's pretty higher, then you got a fall coming. Good. So that's what we're going to be checking for. Yeah. All right. Rendezvous time. And it's going to pull back. I don't want it too much below 40. Definitely not below 4. I'm saying too much below 50. Definitely not below 40. Okay, that's my gig in terms of what I'm looking for there. SQ is telling you somebody's worried again. Now remember, this is end of the day, so it's after the facts. But this is somebody's worried again. We're at 133. We get to 140 area, then I'm going to start getting worried. Okay. This is a critical thing to watch. Interpretation is not easy, but PMT has a table from the what do you call? You can go to PMT archives. You don't have to be subscribed. Go to PMT archives. Look at the sheet from the white paper. Okay. We're still long. I think we have room. Our entry there, this price was excellent. This entry, this target down there was excellent on the PMT, so we're still long. I think this is going to come back up slightly today. You'll see because of expiration, especially mid afternoon. You guys see lift. That's if I'm right. If I'm right, yes, there was a news. I think that should have been priced in. This is Comas talked about it. Who's the mayor over there? Blasey or whatever. No. Neither of them. I'm not a fan of neither of them, but at least Comas a lot more sensible. But the issue is, did you care to watch that news channel to tell you what this is coming? So, all right, moving forward, let's go back here. We'll look at these shots, same board that we talked about. Pull back, but we knew this was way too much. It hit 89 yesterday. Look at the video yesterday, 89. This number was 89. That's just huge. We're not astronomically higher than that last few highs. So this was a jubilance, inexplainable jubilance, just too much. It pulls back, it's healthy. Hold on. I think you have a much orderly market Monday, past expiration. Also, I think by people I'm talking to, they're saying they expect mid-December easing off on the another 25%, another half on the margin. So go to this is what I'm looking at. This is hold on. This 50 should be 25 by mid-December. They don't know if we're gonna get 12.5%. Yeah, last year this time they were trading 12.5%. So your margin for NQ was 18.7 divided by 8. Right now it's by 2. That's why 3 divided by 4 by mid-December, and that's after the certification. Remember this of the vote. Remember January 5th is the control of the Senate, and never like before, this has been more important. Here's the thing. Both of those guys on the Republican side, I don't want to lose the control of the Senate. Not sure. I'm a big fan of Lindsey or the other guy. What do you call it? Moscow Mitch. But if we lose that, and these two have problems, I mean, insider trading issues. Lofer and the other one, Purdue. If that comes through, I think Senate is lost. Then you're going to see a market sell off. So it's part of being a what if. It's not what you think or what you like or what elk you're from. You have to play the what if in your head because it's a multi-dimensional chess game. You gotta do that. So okay. So this is another indication we need to watch for, and they may take it back up. We'll see, but it's just that I think right now it's not the where the market is. It's a matter of how much calmness do we have in our civil duties. So civic duties, I should say. Okay, now we're doing Excel pluses on all fronts. Yes, CL and obviously NQ. We are not publishing FTAX anymore. We're broadcasting it. We're not publishing charts anymore. We're doing 3 charts a day, so 4 and at the end of the day. But broadcast still going on. Ziad is not back yet. He's still concentrating on his group. We have no one else looking at FTAX according to track of the data we see. And but he says that's fine, Ferry. Just take it off. Our due date is the cutoff is for the data. I've already put that in with TradeStation to the end of the month because you pay a month in advance, and so on and so forth. Overnight, this is what we did. Boom, boom. So 7 and 30. I think we're going to base. This was a bad problem earlier, but we're trying to base up. So again, watch the center line. That's crucial. Look how it trades. This is the right translation now. As long as this level, 41, what is that? 41, Murray, come on. 4160 is not penetrated by a wide margin. Let's say 4150. Then we go up. Now, vols have dropped. We got to break out of this area. But you see vols drop like that on the OTF chart, you want to bring up and see, okay, I need to get over 42, 47. Okay. By the way, I'm going to make a comment about the NQ. Let me get there too. Same thing here with the XL, but we have a wider move. Why? It's a single commodity by delivery. Okay. This is responding to shutdown and the perception of the transportation index. So this rose because transportation was making new highs, all-time highs. So let's go to NQ. I don't know if you've noticed it or not, but order flow has changed a bit. We have increased our probability of hitting these numbers on the limit side, both up and down. That tells me the give-ups have gone away. Okay, when you have extra firepower, less margin, you don't panic as much, you don't give up as much. It becomes orderly. It becomes an orderly flow, and that's why I could see it because of these are probabilities, right? Of probability of events. It's a corner probability. I'm seeing it to hit it better, especially on a larger scale. And the nervousness that you would see in the dome is gone. Now, we're not completely there. We're not perfect. But I'm willing to bet you it'll be even one notch calmer come December 15th. Or maybe if Trump concedes, but he needs to that, and others are his advisors are telling him, including GOP the leaders, to say, hey, at least Kim Biden, what's the loss? The guy was a vice president before. He's got a top security clearance. Give him the give him the briefing so he's ready. My worry is overseas, not here. Here we can deal with. My worry is overseas because of infrastructure, on the national security. I believe I know a little bit about that. Because my dad and myself, I know a little bit about that, both by theory and practice. That we got to do a better job. That worries me, but hopefully our adversaries also understand we have strong people. If you don't make a mistake, come after us, we're gonna level you. That's what we build those B2s for. Don't F with us. All right. Any questions for me? Pardon my French. My French is getting better. But no, I get worried about this national security stuff. Believe me. Remember 2000? Yeah. Hold on. I was supposed to be in that building in this September. So, any questions for me? All right. Long live 509 bomb wing. But this is going to be part of soon. Okay. See you guys. Thanks. 918. Not bad. Not bad.